Oh yeah, you're dead. Hold up. Hold me.
What the fuck? Holy shot.
Oh my god, nah, y'all gonna see this kill cam. This shit is crazy. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, y'all just got shit on.
Yeah.
Good win, man. Respect. Jack, look at that. This guy is
Bro, I want to use this sniper.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. That shit was crazy.
Mike, you.
on tab 4.
What is you talking about? You motherfuckers can't hold me. Yo, y'all can't hold me. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all cannot hold me.
Bro.
Look at you. Turn your ass into jingle bells. Yo, what's good? It's Nav, and now I'm gonna give y'all the class that I use in this video. So this is the Victus class right here. And then the tuning. This is the tuning for the barrel. This is the tuning for the optic. This is the tuning for the stock. And then this is the tuning for the rear grip. And then for the revolver class, this is the revolver class. And there's no tuning on this class, but yeah, so that's the class that I use in this video. And that's pretty much it. I hope y'all do enjoy the rest of the video. I love y'all. Peace. That shit is crazy. Nah. Let me humble these motherfuckers real quick.
Dude, holy fuck, I'm gonna switch to COD Mobile. Fuck this game.
Broski, man. Switch to COD Mobile. Oh, I see him up in the window. Goodbye.
Have you ever played COD Mobile on controller?
Nah.
When I was in high school, bro, I used to, what's it called? I used to come home from school with my PS4 controller, or use it, like Bluetooth, put that shit on my phone, and I would just drop nuke after nuke on people using their fingers.
That's fucked up.
What the fuck?
Yo, what the fuck happened? What happened, Smurda? What happened, my boy? Bro, I can't, bro. You think he's funny or something, bro?
Oh my god.
Bro, I can't, bro. These motherfuckers got it, bro. They got it.
Wait, how many tiers is there on?
Oh my god.
Bro.
Dude, how much can one human sell, bro? Like, what the fuck is wrong with me?
Fucking god, like how?
I'm going stupid.
You have 10 kills.
Now I'm going stupid this round.
Ready to deploy.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Well,
I'm about to ace. We're the last guy. Maybe over here.
Copy that. UAV online and orbiting the AO.
There's no way you just sniper.
Fuck is you talking about? Yo, no, let me hear it. Let me hear it. Yo, LaShawn, let me hear it. Let me hear it, LaShawn. Bruh.
They tried to take his chain, he was surrounded by the beam and...
So you really a fan of me, huh? That's wild.
Bro, he even got an album named Confetti, and you shooting confetti.
Yeah. What the fuck, bruh? Bro, these kids think they're good. Hold on.
Secure a perimeter around
I
the
gotta put them in
objective.
their place real quick. Kids think they're good or something. No. Damn, it's kind of crazy how he's talking all that shit just to get shit on. That's wild. I'm not gonna lie.
not by you.
How you gonna talk shit and sit in your spawn?
Not by you.
How you gonna talk shit and sit in your spawn?
You didn't do it, bitch.
How you gonna talk shit and sit in your spawn? Answer my
Still got
question.
more points and fucking...
Bro said he still got more points. I'm
All
dead.
Saber.
They're up one.
All Saber. Plant a charge on the target and level
Oh,
it.
fine, let me do that.
We secured the bomb.
Oh, he peeked late. Shit. You all look so overpowered.
Bro, like Mark.
Movement here. Mark the target. Rest in the area. Sniper. Watch your head.
Down to you, mate. Finish the mission. Ready? Planting bomb at Bravo. Stand by. Bomb planted. Set containment. We took a victory there.
Yo, you
Prepare
look
to
stupid.
repeat it.
Yo, Gene, what happened, bro? Shit on. Ooh, where? I wish there was. Now these revolvers are crazy.
Now ready to deploy.
I have a VTOL.
Bomb secure.
Oh my god.
30 seconds. Secure the bomb. This
Bro,
round is ours. For the next one.
I'm actually shitting on these kids. Yo, Gene, you're still not talking, bro. You're very quiet. I'm not gonna lie. You was talking all that shit about having more score than me. What happened? It's crazy. I got 20 on your head
Your
now.
mom's a bitch.
Oh, word. That's all you got to say? That was ass. I'm not gonna lie. Try again.
Yep.
Search.
Oh my. Yo, I would not take that. I would not take this blessed Gene. Yo, Gene, bro. I would not take this, bro. Look at you. Look at you. You had a Betty and everything. You still got shit on. Look at you. Look at you, bro. Come
You
on.
guys just took Nav's dick, bro.
Yo, Gene, bro. What happened, bro? Come on, bro.
I'll take Nav's dick.
Mad
You guys
quiet.
got fucking shit on. Nav's a fucking beast.
He ain't gonna fuck you, bro. He mid, bro.